Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make crumble coffee cake. Let's get started. Let's make the coffee first. I need 1 pack of instant coffee. Mix with hot water, then let it cool down. Next, I will make the crumble. Some softened unsalted butter. Add some all-purpose flour. A little sugar. Also Muscovado sugar. Mix them well. Then make some crumble nuggets. Set aside, we will use them later. Let's make the coffee cake batter. I use cake flour or self-rising flour. A little baking powder. A little salt. Then sift them all into the mixing bowl. Prepare some softened unsalted butter. Add some sugar. Some Muscovado sugar. Beat the butter with the sugar until the texture is smooth and pasty. My recipe has 4 eggs. I add 1 egg at a time with a spoon of flour I just sifted. Then add a little vanilla extract. Add the instant coffee we made before. Add the remaining sifted flour. To keep the fluffy texture, I just gently fold in the flour. At this point, preheat the oven at 375 Fahrenheit. This is the size of my baking tin. I transfer half of the cake batter to the baking tin. Smooth the surface. Evenly sprinkle the crumbles over the cake batter. Then add the remaining cake batter on top. Make it smooth. Then sprinkle the remaining crumbles. I will bake the cake at 375 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes first. Then lower the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit. Bake for another 35 to 40 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the cake. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this crumble coffee cake cost me $10. I will enjoy my crumble coffee cake with a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching my video.